Ever notice your ride acting strange? Maybe smelling like rotten eggs or losing power uphill? Well, your catalytic converter might be screaming for help. And trust me, ignoring it could cost you big time. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel where we make car care simple, fun and stress-free. Today, we are breaking down the top signs your catalytic converter is failing and how to fix it without breaking the bank. Let's dive in. What does a catalytic converter do? A catalytic converter, a key part of a vehicle's exhaust system, reduces harmful pollutants by converting them into less harmful substances like water vapor and carbon dioxide through chemical reactions catalyzed by precious metals. Where is the catalytic converter located? Friends, the catalytic converter is located in a car's exhaust system, typically underneath the vehicle between the engine and the muffler. Now let's talk about top 5 warning signs of a bad catalytic converter. The first symptoms: check engine light. That annoying little light, it's not just there to stress you out. If your car's computer detects a problem with emissions, it'll flash that bad boy. Get it scanned. Code P0420 or P0439 usually means converter trouble. The next symptoms: rotten egg smell. If your exhaust smells like a swamp monster's breakfast, your catalytic converter isn't breaking down sulfur properly. Nasty? Yes. Dangerous? Absolutely. The third symptoms: sluggish acceleration. Flooring the gas but going nowhere. A clogged converter chokes your engine's airflow, robbing your ride of its mojo. Not cool. The fourth symptoms: loud rumbling. If your car suddenly sounds like a growling beast, the converter might be damaged inside. Unless you're going for that Mad Max vibe, get it checked. The last symptoms: failed emissions test. If your car flunks its emissions test, guess who's the usual suspect? Yep, the catalytic converter. Time for action. How to fix a bad catalytic converter. Option 1. Clean it. Sometimes a good catalytic converter cleaner can break up gunk and buy you time. Pour it into your fuel tank and take a long drive. Easy fix. Option 2. Replace oxygen sensors. Before dropping on a new converter, check your O2 sensors. A faulty sensor can trick your car into thinking the converter is bad when it's actually fine. Option 3. Replace the catalytic converter. If all else fails, you might need a new one. OEM parts are pricey, but aftermarket options can save you cash. Just make sure it's compatible. Listen, your car talks to you through smells, sounds, and sluggishness. Ignoring a bad catalytic converter can lead to worse engine damage and a lighter wallet. So if you spot these signs, act fast. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.